Nolan here with Toyota City in Wetaskiwin, here to show you this awesome 2011 4Runner that we have. Low kilometers, amazing price, mint condition. It's awesome. Smart key system, so you just have to touch the handle to actually open up the door. Just like that. I didn't have the key in my hand or anything. Push button start, backup camera, hands free. Just listen to this. Just listen to this start. It's awesome. Beautiful. Lots of space. The leather, perfect condition. Look at the middle row here. Just as great of condition back there. An awesome vehicle to have for the summer, or if you're towing a trailer, taking trips. You can see the back window actually slides right down, so you can get some really good airflow on the highway there. We'll open her up. Lots of space. If you want to go school bus mode, there is 7 seats in here, but of course you can just leave that right down. So this is an awesome buy. 4Runners are just amazing vehicles. You're never going to be disappointed with a 4Runner. If you want to know more about this, my name's Nolan. My number is 780-977-9050. Text, call, anything you want. Definitely come check it out. Looks way better in person. This is Toyota City, home of the best used vehicles. As you can see, let your legacy start here.